Morning, I am from Team Sangha and we are tackling the problem statement under Agriculture and Food Tech Rural Department. Our project is palm oil optimization using very high spatial resolution data and robust crop models. Under this, what we aim to achieve, not just the district, so ensures official and farmer get faster, fairer outcomes. Our solution is AgriEye, a precision yield estimation and damage assessment platform. Uh, First, what it does, we use high resolution imagery and sub-meter drones and 1.1 to 5 meter satellites to capture within field variability, as you can see in the course data. We combine proven crop models like DSAT, AquaCrop, or ZAP with machine learning regressor for localized field level yield based on the satellite data and drone data for stress diagnosis, what the yield would be based on past data. We run a real-time data pipeline in the cloud to ingest pre-process and cache the multispectral imaging. Then we serve through an interactive dashboard and yield maps, heat maps, what crop would go, how much yield would go, designed under the PM FPA officers. Everything connects to SIPOP, ESTEC, and PM5 via secure REST API. Why it's unique? Hybrid model approach based on AI/ML gives accuracy and generalizability. What will happen, or edge-based UAV and NDVI on-site processing for what type of crop is optimal, dynamic process of the NDVI canopy temperatures, transparent insurance integration, geotag plots, quantifiable loss, what will happen, how will happen, we can track everything. And that's what we, unique we do. Yeah, here's a formal yield estimation flow. We start with the data ingestion, satellite UAV imagery process. Then we take radiometric atmospheric correction of the satellite data because they are taken at different times. They need to be standardized. We take indices like NDVI, EVI, LST for validate quality and convert the output to COGS and geotips and store the metadata. Now we integrate the crop model, DSAT, crop, OZA, and calibrate with the local weather and soil data. And side by side, we run an ML yield predictor printout of the plot level past data and get the temporal features. We then optimize the web delivery for the result through the APIs. The tech stack we backend for Rust for high performance, Python for ML modeling, JavaScript for the UI Postgres for database, and we use the open layers for geotip data and front-end smooth web based map rendering for COG. This result is a near real-time visualization and reliable, scalable across the states. Yeah, how feasible our solution is, whether we can build it or not. That's how we came to. We need to get a low-cost open access solution. We leverage open access high-res satellite data and API Sentinel to NASA and ISRO data Bowen, and we stand on validated crop models tuned for Indian climatic zones. Our team covers remote sensing, AI, geospatial spatial analytics, and the ecosystem is integration ready with all the different economic zones and yes, tech, PFM, and cropping. The architecture is a cloud native. We ingest a cloud native architecture, so it can be highly scalable. These are the different layers of the working, the data sources, pre-processing, during pre-processing, how the data flows to the modeling layer, how the analysis and the integration of each of the slides and how they talk to each other is shown in the architecture. Yeah. Yeah. How much impact would this solution generate? Impact is immediate and measurable. More accurate farm level yields, reduce dependency on sample-based CCEs, and improve payout fairness so that you receive pay how good your crop is, not based on the climate demand, because we predict it when to sell or not, claim settlement accelerates, we compress workflow from weeks to days, automated verification, everything's driven by data. Nothing is left a middleman or end user. The data is the king here. We predict from drought and every disaster, from early floods to warning through satellite data. fully aligned with just a Cropic MPFS, so the data flow can be integrated anywhere. Yeah, the benefits is system efficiency. Farmer gets empowered through it to faster information, faster settlements, organization advantages for agency, insurance and partners. Nobody can lie on it. Everything is governed by the data. Yeah, these are the different resources and references that we use, like what is the market, what type of data, what type of regulatory agency is approach. Our approach was grounded on research on these topics, what our customer is, what are the needs, what are the existing solution, how we can overcome it, and how much data is available, what we can build upon it, and the tech. Yeah, thank you.